Alright, so today we got a package from Lasfit. I believe these should be LED bulbs right here. So we're gonna unbox these, install them, and show you guys a little video. So these are Lasfit's plug and play bulbs. I have a 2003 G35 sedan, so we're gonna change the bulbs from the halogen to the LED. It's supposed to be plug and play, so see how it goes. These are the original bulbs right there. It's yellow right there, so hopefully these will make it that nice clear white LED lights. Alright, so keep in mind I am no mechanic right here, but the low beam is going to be that top one, and I don't think we're going to be able to reach it right here, so we might have to take out the whole headlight really quick. Since I am lowered, it is a little tough. Tough word out here, but let's take out the headlight real quick. First step, if you guys have a G35, you have to take off the whole bumper to take off the headlights, because there should be two bolts right there, and then a third one on the bottom right there. I'll show you guys in a second. So when taking off the bumper, you should have a bunch of clips right here, about 6 of them, and then a bunch of clips on the side. But since my saying on the sides, you should have a few more bolts, but mine is messed up. So we'll just chop off the zip ties and she'll pop right off. Now that we have the bumper off, there should be one bolt right here. I already took it off. Should be one bolt up here, and then another one right there, that risky boy. Now that it's all unscrewed, it should pop right off. Well, if you want to take off the whole headlight, do that. Unscrew that right there, but the low beam is right here, so we're gonna try and do it just like this. But we got the whole headlight out. The low beam, actually, we're doing should be this top one. So I believe you just screw it open and it should pop off. Alright, now that we have this open, if I'm not mistaken, again, I'm no mechanic or nothing, just unplug this brown one, that's the main wire. This one should unplug as well. I'm not too sure. That one might stay. The green one. I think that one stays. But this little piece, I believe you push it down, and you can take out that original one. So that pin stays in there. And then you take out that original bulb. Alright, so this is the original bulb. We took it out. And now we can get the new one. Then we can get the new one. This is a new LED right here. Now if we reverse the process, this one's pretty cool because it does have the cooling fan in there. Plug it in. Try your best to get the silicone over the metal right there. Tuck it in and then wire it up, and it should be good to go. Right now that we're all buttoned up, I believe we can try it out, make sure it works before we tighten everything up. So give me 1 second right there. Alright, we have it plugged in now. Now let's just make sure. Put my the condensation in there, but that's the original one. Yup. This is that new blue one. Looks good. Now that everything looks like everything's working, line it up, secure the headlight, and then we'll work on the other one over there. Again. Now that everything's buttoned up, let's go work on that headlight. Alright, so what I'm doing for the condensation for now, I'm getting the blower. Then where that low beam bulb is, I'm trying to just blow out or even evaporate the water, see if that works. But yeah, I'm gonna try that out, see if that works. So the blower helped a little bit, just a little bit condensation in there, not as bad. If you guys have any recommendations on how to remove that, let me know, please. Yeah. So we got it plugged in. Let's test both of them, see if it works. And this side's not working. This side looks good, but this side is not working. What's wrong with that? We'll double check it right now. Okay, so what had happened was this green wire, I believe it's a ground wire. So this had fallen off, and then now it's working. So when you're doing it, just make sure both are connected. That one might have fallen off right there. But yeah, make sure they're secure. It should be good to go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Right there, you can see the fans working. It's pretty cool right there. So when you're doing this, make sure this is turned all the way. Like, put your full strength on it. Yeah, it's pretty tough to close it all the way, but make sure it's not gonna end up like me. Alright, so now we're all buttoned up, and this is the result. We got that nice white, clear looking headlight. This one's still condensation, but what could you do? I'm gonna try and look for my heat gun, heat it up, maybe that'll help a little bit. But yeah, we'll show you guys a little clip at night, and yeah, that's about it for the video. So yeah, here is a POV with the lights driving right here. They're pretty good at night. They're a lot brighter than the halogen. Have a lot wider range of light, so it's pretty cool. I'll show you guys how it looks from the outside. So yeah, there it is right there. It's a little bit too bright. That's a good idea how it looks. Condensation came back on that one, but that's what it looked like. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, if this helped you out just a little bit, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.